Hello friends, welcome to TK Study. Friends, today we will discuss current affairs of April month, okay? Best 100 questions of current affairs, okay? Which is very important for your any examinations like NTPC or SSC or bank or DRDO, okay? So do watch full video, okay? So let's start. The first question is which state CM has been conferred with Hero to Animal Award by Animal Right Body PETA, okay? The answer is option D, Odisha, okay? And the name of the CM of Odisha is Navin Patnaik, okay? Next question is which state government has announced major salary cut due to coronavirus pandemic, okay? The answer is option C, both A and B, that is Telangana and Maharashtra, okay? Next question is which one portal has been started to support foreign tourists in India, okay? The answer is option B, Stranded in India, okay? Next question is which bank has launched WhatsApp banking, okay? The answer is option A, ICICI, okay? Next question is comedian Ken Shumura who died recently due to COVID-19, okay? Belongs to which country? He belongs to Japan, okay? Option A is right answer. Next question is Arogya Setu has been launched by which country to fight coronavirus pandemic, okay? The answer is option B, India. Next question is which IIT is to provide portable ventilator to support medical infrastructure amid the COVID-19 outbreak, okay? The answer is option B, IIT Kanpur, okay? Next question is Sunrise mission has been announced by which space organization, okay? The answer is option A, NASA. And the full form of Sunrise is Sun is as it is, and the full form of Rise is Radio Interferometer Space Experiment, okay? Next question is Praveen Jadhav, who resigned recently, was the CEO of which company? Okay, the answer is option B, Paytm. Next question is Pragyam app to issue e-passes has been launched by which state? Okay, the answer is option A, Jharkhand. Next question is who authored Sri Devi, the eternal screen goddess? Okay, the answer is option B, Satyarth Nayak. Next question is Bharat Pay has started COVID-19 protection insurance cover in association with which bank? Okay, the answer is option A, ICICI. Okay, they also started WhatsApp banking. Do remember this too. And the brand ambassador of Bharat Pay is Salman Khan. Okay. Next question is Maria Teresa, the first royal to pass away due to COVID-19. She was the princess of which country? Okay. The answer is option B, Spain. Next question is which country is to host third edition of Asian Youth Games? Okay. The answer is option A, China. Next question is under Project Pran, the student of IISc Bangalore has developed which medical instrument? Okay, the answer is option B, ventilator. Next question is Philip Warren Anderson, who died recently, won Nobel Prize in which field? Okay, the answer is option A, physics. Next question is International Atomic Energy has sent COVID-19 testing gears to around 40 countries. Okay, the kits use which technique? Okay, the answer is option B, RT-PCR. Next question is which state government is to buy multi-feed oxygen manifold developed by Indian Navy? Okay, the answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Next question is recently India and China has celebrated which anniversary of their diplomatic relations? Okay, the answer is option B, 70th. Next question is Hockey India donated how much amount towards the PM Cares Fund to tackle worsening COVID-19 pandemic in the country? Okay, the answer is option A, 1 crore. Next question is which state UT will provide rupees 5,000 to drivers of public transport vehicles such as autos, taxi and e-rickshaws? Okay, the answer is option B, Delhi. Next question is Tablighi Jamaat belongs to which religion? Okay, the answer is option A, Muslim. Next question is Gita Ramji, who recently died due to COVID-19, was an Indian origin virologist based in which country? Okay, the answer is option A, South Africa. Next question is geofencing app has been launched by which country? Okay, the answer is option C, India. Okay, they also launched Arogya Setu app. Okay. Next question is Chittaranjan Locomotive Works has produced how much locomotive in the financial year 2019-20? Okay, they produce 431 locomotives. Okay, option B is the right answer. And the Chittaranjan locomotive is located at Asansol, West Bengal. Okay, do remember this too. Next question is Mo Pratibha My Talent has been started by which state? Okay, the answer is option B, Odisha. Next question is the World Bank has funded how much money to India to fight COVID-19? The answer is option B, 1 billion USD. Okay. Next question is which initiative has been started by Indian Administrative Service IAS and Indian Police Service IPS? Okay, the answer is option A, Karuna. Next question is India's first COVID-19 hospitalization insurance policy called Corona Care has been launched by which app? Okay, the answer is option A, PhonePe, and the brand ambassador of PhonePe is Amir Khan. Okay. Next question is by Nirmal Singh Khalsa, who recently passed away, was awarded with which honor? Okay, the answer is option B, Padma Shri. Next question is Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR has suggested the use of which tablets only for healthcare workers? Okay, the answer is option C, hydroxychloroquine tablets. Okay. Next question is what is the new deadline for qualification period of Tokyo Olympics? Okay, the answer is option B, June 29, 2021. Okay. Next question is which bank has nominated by government for collection of donations for PM Care Fund? Okay, the answer is option C, Indian Overseas Bank. Okay, important question. Next question is PM Narendra Modi asked Indians to switch off their lights at 9 p.m. for 9 minutes. On which day? Okay, the answer is option A, 5 April 2020. Okay. Next question is the Indian Air Force recently delivered 6.2 million tons of essential medicines to which country under Operation Sanjeevani? Okay, the answer is option B, Maldives. And do remember the operation name, Sanjeevani. Okay, this is also important. Next question is the Indian Council of Medical Research approved the use of which of the following machines for conducting COVID-19 test? Okay, the answer is option B, tuberculosis machine. Next question is FIFA has postponed the Under 17 Women's World Cup. The Under 17 Women's World Cup was scheduled to be conducted in which country? Okay, the answer is option D, India. Next question is World Health Day is celebrated on which of the following days? Okay, the answer is option A, 7th April. Next question is what is the name of low cost energy efficient ventilator made by the rail coach factory Kapurthala? Okay, the answer is option A, G1. Next question is the Department of Science and Technology has set up which center to fight COVID-19? Okay, the answer is option D, Kavach. Next question is which scheme has launched by Ministry of Civil Aviation to help India against COVID-19? Okay, the answer is option B, Lifeline Udan. Next question is who has been appointed as the new chairman of National Association of Software and Services Companies NASSCOM? Okay, the answer is option B, UB Pravin Rao. Next question is the Union Cabinet approved to cut the salary of Prime Minister and other MPs by how much percent to fight COVID-19? Okay, the answer is option B, 30%. Next question is what is the name of low cost portable ventilator made by IIT Roorkee? Okay, the answer is option C, Pranavayu. Next question is the US government has announced a grant of how much dollars to India to fight COVID-19? Okay, the answer is option B, $2.9 million. Okay. Next question is from which country the first case of tiger tested positive of COVID-19 has been reported? Okay, the answer is option B, USA. Next question is every year April 7th is marked as the World Health Day. What is the theme of this year? Okay, the answer is option C, support nurses and midwives. Next question is which Pune-based center has developed a low-cost indigenous prototype of polymer swab? Okay, the answer is option B, CMAT. Okay. Next question is which of the following state chief minister has announced a 5T plan to stop the spread of novel coronavirus? Okay, the answer is option A, Delhi. They also launched Shield program. Okay. Next question is who has been appointed as the official spokesperson of Ministry of External Affairs? Okay. The answer is option D, Anurag Srivastav. Next question is NASA aims to land humans on the moon by 2024 through which of the following programs? Okay, the answer is option B, Artemis. Next question is which state CM has announced that the government will provide rupees 2000 to all the state residents stranded outside due to the lockdown? Okay, the answer is option C, Manipur. Next question is Government of India has relaxed a ban on exports of which drug that are used to treat COVID-19? Okay, the answer is option A, paracetamol and hydroxychloroquine. Okay. Next question is the Government of India sanctioned how much money for COVID-19 emergency response and health system preparedness package? Okay, the answer is option C, 15,000 crore. Next question is center is to announce how much money to focus on help of small and medium business that are suffering due to coronavirus outbreak. Okay, the answer is option C, 1 lakh crore. Next question is what is the name of Prime Minister of UK? Okay, the answer is option A, Boris Johnson. He also tested positive. Now he is recovering from it. Okay. Next question is which of the following state UT government launched Operation Shield in 21 contaminant zones in the state or UT? Okay, the answer is option C, Delhi. Next question is the Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR validated which machine for COVID-19 screening test? Okay, the answer is option B, tuberculosis testing machine. Next question is where is the headquarter of G20 group? Okay, the answer is option B, Cancun, Mexico. Next question is China city Wuhan has under lockdown of how many days due to COVID-19? Okay, the answer is option C, 76 days. Okay, the virus is spread from Wuhan city. Okay, do remember this too. Okay. Next question is which online retailer company is building a lab to test employee for COVID-19 virus? Okay, the answer is option D, Amazon. Next question is which institute has developed a very low cost personal protective equipment? Okay, which can be manufactured for less than rupees 100? Okay, the answer is option B, IIT Kanpur. Next question is Asian Development Bank ADB has announced that it is to fund how much money to support India in its fight against COVID-19 pandemic? Okay, the answer is option A, 2.2 billion dollar. Okay. Next question is India has announced that it is to export around 1 lakh tons of wheat to which of the following countries? Okay, the answer is option D, Afghanistan and Lebanon. When was ICMR formed? Okay, the answer is option C, 1911. And the full form of ICMR is Indian Council of Medical and Research. Okay, it is formed on 1911 and headquartered in New Delhi. Okay, do remember this. Okay. Next question is which state government has announced that it is to double the salary of medical professionals dealing with COVID-19 patients? Okay, the answer is option A, Haryana. Next question is the World Homeopathy Day is celebrated on which date? Okay, the answer is option D, 10th April. Next question is which state has become the first state to prolong the coronavirus lockdown, which has been extended till April 30? Okay, the answer is option D, Odisha. Next question is when was 21-day complete lockdown of the entire nation was announced? Okay, the answer is option C, 24th March. Okay. Next question is what is India's score in Oxford COVID-19 government response tracker? Okay, the answer is option B 100. Okay. Next question is which Bollywood actor is the face of RBI Twitter campaign emphasis on transacting digitally? Okay, the answer is option B Amitabh Bachchan. Next question is which country tops hydroxychloroquine producer and exporter chart? Okay, the answer is option C India. Next question is IMF MD Kristalina Georgieva, okay, has named 12 people including which Indian to her external advisory group to combat coronavirus pandemic. Okay, the answer is option B Raghuram Rajan. Next question is Apple is making a software similar to Arogya Setu to enable COVID-19 contact tracing through phones with the help of which company? Okay, the answer is option D Google. Next question is 13th April 2020 marked which anniversary of Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Okay, the answer is 101. Okay, it happened on 1990. Okay, 13th April 1990. Okay, to remember this. Next question is Prime Minister Narendra Modi extend the national wide lockdown till which day? Okay, the answer is 3rd May 2020. Okay. Next question is Supreme Court says only person covered under which scheme can be tested for free for COVID-19 in private labs. Okay, the answer is option B Ayushman Yojana. Next question is which state has become the first state to start the pool testing of coronavirus samples? Okay, the answer is option A Uttar Pradesh. Next question is which district administration has installed helium balloon attached with two cameras, okay, for surveillance on lockdown violators? Okay, the answer is option C Vadodara. Next question is Government of India decided to divide all districts across the country into how many categories considering the number of COVID-19 cases? Okay, the answer is option A 3. Okay, they divided the district in red zone, orange zone and green zone. Okay. Next question is which country launched multiple short-range anti-ship cruise missile into sea when every country is fighting COVID-19? Okay, the answer is option B North Korea. Next question is which application has become the world fastest app to reach 50 million downloads in just 13 days? Okay, the answer is option C Arogya Setu. Next question is who has been appointed as the new ambassador for the World Wide Fund WWF India's Environment Education Program? Okay, the answer is Chess Master Vishwanath Anand. Answer is option A. Which country halt his annual funding to WHO? The answer is option C USA. And the full form of WHO is World Health Organization. Okay. Next question is which state CM inaugurated the online delivery website CG Heart, which will facilitate doorstep delivery of fruits and vegetables? Okay, the answer is option D Chhattisgarh. Next question is which institute designs whiteboard to deliver food medicines to COVID-19 patients in isolation wards? Okay, without human intervention. Okay, the answer is option D IIT Ropar. Next question is Agriculture Ministry launched which mobile app to facilitate transportation of fruit grains? Okay, the answer is option B Kisan Rath. Next question is NASA astronaut Andrew Morgan returns to Earth from the International Space Station after how many days in space? Okay, the answer is 272 days. Door-to-door delivery of newspaper and magazines prohibited in which of the following states? Okay, the answer is option C Maharashtra. Which of the following country lights up with the Indian flag in a show of solidarity? Okay, the answer is option C Switzerland. Okay. And the mountain is Matterhorn mountain. Okay, in a Swiss Alps lights up India Indian flag in a show of solidarity. Okay, who is the CM of Maharashtra? Okay, the answer is option A Uddhav Thackeray. Next question is the second phase of lockdown will be lifted on which date? Okay, the answer is option C 3rd May. Okay. Next question is which state becomes the first zero COVID-19 state in the country? Okay, the answer is option A, Goa. Next question is who has been appointed as the secretary to President Ramnath Kovind? Okay, the answer is option B, Kapil Dev Tripathi. Okay. Next question is which university in London has developed a potential COVID-19 vaccine? Okay, the answer is option A, Oxford University. What is the India's rank in World Press Freedom Index 2020? Okay, the answer is option B, 142. Okay. Next question is actor Irfan Khan passed away due to which of the following disease? Okay, the answer is option B, neuroendocrine tumor. Okay. Next question is one of the Bollywood's most beloved stars, Rishi Kapoor, passed away on 30th April 2020 due to which of the following disease? Okay, the answer is option C, leukemia. Next question is who was the second largest spender in military expenditure in 2019? Okay, the answer is option B, China. First is USA and second is China and third is India. Okay, do remember this too. And the last question of this session is which state become the first state have video conferencing infrastructure in all its court? Okay, the answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. So these are the most important 100 questions of current affairs of this April month. Okay, if you like the session then please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you.